Trail Seeker Adventures is bringing you to the Sxcs Spook Fest Grand Prix. What is a Grand Prix? Well, I'll get to that in just a minute after this exciting hole shot. I am on the open class. On this class there was about 20 riders, both in the open and the warrior class. It's about to get exciting. The open class anybody can sign up for. Unfortunately, we had some very fast pro guys hitting the motocross a lot faster than I wanted to. Now that that's calmed down a little bit, a GP is basically a combination of the woods, hare scramble, and a motocross. Each class will have 2 motos. The motos last 30 minutes. The course is usually about 3 miles long, and you get as many laps in as you can in that 30 minutes. This weekend is at Wicomico in Budge Creek, Maryland, and the track was dusty and very fast, at least until it got rough. And it got very rough and very dusty, as you will see. I am racing on my 2020 Beta 300RR, and the bike felt pretty good for the first 2 laps. Then it got rough and actually a little sketchy. I had her set up a little bit too soft for whenever it did get rough. A lot of square edge roots. Now, the reason why I'm running the open class is because in a GP you can run more than 1 class. If you run 3 separate classes, you are able to enter to the Ironman, and whoever does the most laps in the 3 classes that you sign up in the least amount of time is the Ironman for the weekend. I really didn't know that I was going to be able to run 3 classes, but I thought, well, what the heck, let's try. I haven't did a lot of riding since I was, actually this year's been a lot of maintenance, not on the bike, but myself. I've just recently been getting some seat time on the old girl, having a good time. But I could tell halfway through this race there was no way I was going to be able to run all 3 classes. I did go ahead and finish this moto out, and then I decided I was just going to stick with my 50A class. So I'm going to let you watch a lap here at the Wicomico Sxcs Spook Fest. The youth has been out on that track, on this track. Other than that, no bike has really ran this part of the property. Billy and the Sxcs crew has laid out a awesome lap out here in the woods of Wicomico. Most of it has not been touched by a dirt bike. But we're going to go from fresh trail to whenever I come back out on the 50A motos, you'll see how rough and how dusty it gets. But in between this moto and my next moto, I'm going to throw in some youth. I did get out and get some pretty cool video of the youth. I believe I got just about every rider. Hopefully I caught you tearing up the trail, eating some dust. Make sure you stay and watch the future of the sport. Have some fun out here at the Sxcs Wicomico. over jumped that jump a little bit, made sure I made the adjustment on the next lap. I'm definitely no moto guy. I like jumping. I just don't like jumping when the landing is me on the ground. Stay tuned. Let's watch these youth get out here and tear up the track. Then I'll get you out in the 50A class. That way you can see how rough it gets.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when you can still
Yeah, girl. Good job. That's either a Honda, yeah, or an SSR. Oh, over here. Nice job. He's making a pass. Nice job. All right, now let's get you back out on the trail. On the last race, the open class, I was on the front row. In the 50A class, we are about 5th to take off. So that means we're going to have some passing to do. That's not real fun on a dusty day, but it's going to make good content. So you can see what a dusty day at Wicomico is all about. Get a whole shot, which is absolutely necessary, but the 300 makes it easy. I do want to say a big thanks to everybody that came over and let us know that they appreciate our videos. I really love racing my dirt bike, and the main reason for Heidi and I to get out here and record our adventures is so you all can find a place to rip up the trail, whether it's at a race event, a ride park, a hiking trail. I even did some mountain bike racing this past summer. Had one guy came up, I'm sorry I didn't get his name, but he said thanks for the video. We were the reason why he's racing this race series, or the way he found this race series. That is exactly why we do these videos. Make sure you like and subscribe, share with your cool friends. That way we know we're doing something that is at least somewhat useful. I'm gonna stop yapping my gums and let you enjoy the sounds of a two-stroke ripping through the woods. Pretty cool battles with some riders not in my class. As you can see, it was pretty dusty. I'm gonna throw those in at the end of this video. Heidi there on my right, she did awesome. She won her class, the 40A or 40 women's class. She came home with the win. These couple little battles through the dusty fields of Maryland. Thank you once again for watching our videos. And stop by and letting us, Heidi and I, know how much you enjoy watching our videos. Thank you so much. that's going to wrap another one of the Trail Seeker Adventure videos here at Wicomico Motorsports Park, Southern Maryland. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Push the subscribe button in the middle of the page. Thank you so much.